ऑस्ट्रेलिया को बहुत शिकायत है कि जो रीसेंट टेस्ट सीरीज हुई है उसमें सब कुछ आउट ऑफ सिलेबस था। उन्होंने तैयारी करी कोहली, राहुल, शामी, उमेश, बुमराह, शाह को कैसे काउंटर करना है और सिलेबस में आ गया विहारी, सिराज, शार्दुल, सुंदर, पंत। दिस इज नॉट फेयर एट ऑल। Similarly, SEBI faced one general stream paper too. Many people are saying they prepared for accounts, finance, economics, management, costing, Companies Act, but there were so many questions out of the syllabus, almost one third. Is it fair? Let's have a quick look at these questions. My name is Chandra Prakash Joshi, and in this video we are talking about how competitive exams are different from board or university exam. This is the lesson you will learn. What shall be your target, your aim and your strategy? I am going to tell you at the end of the video with the help of the questions, the so-called out of the syllabus questions in paper 2 of SEBI exam recently, and it happens in various competitive exam. On this Republic Day, this is the best offer you get. Time to celebrate, time to make your career. Let's have a quick look on these questions, because unless you see the questions you won't realize what I am talking about. Questions like Tally software. If anybody has any idea about accounting, you know this is a company and it is like ubiquitous in India. When there is no partnership deed, how the profit is distributed, people call it out of syllabus, but unless you know it, unless you have studied it, how you are going to make it. BSc is located at, even if you use the option elimination method. What is BSc? It's a stock exchange. स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में क्या होता है, शेयरों को खरीदा जाता है और बेचा जाता है। अगर आपको ये बात समझ में आती है तो शायद आप कुछ लॉजिक लगा पाओगे। हु आर बायर्स एंड सेलर्स इन मेजॉरिटी? ब्रोकर्स, दलाल। The name of the street is Dalal Street, but anywhere if you read newspaper, so many times there is a board having BSc address, having Dalal Street. And this is also charging comes under section 4 is you have to study interest on debenture. If you understand what is debenture, you will realize that only from profit interest can be paid on debentures. प्रॉफिट के बगैर पैसा आएगा कहां से? लेकिन डिवेंचर की डेफिनेशन याद करके काम नहीं होने वाला है। You have to understand what is debenture, how it is different from shares. When company is registered, so PAN, I have a PAN, you have a PAN, eliminated. GST, it is required for company registration. पिन कोड, किसको नहीं पता है पिन कोड क्या है हिंदुस्तान में? पोस्ट ऑफिस तो सभी ने देखे। यू मे हैव कंफ्यूजन ऑन टैन एंड सिन। टैन इज अबाउट टैक्स, सो कंपनी हैज दिस कॉर्पोरेट आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर। ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन से भी आपको पता लग जाएगा। दिस इज अगेन यू हैव टू स्टडी INTS 284। जब तक आपने पढ़ा नहीं है तो TDS कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? माई पॉइंट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट यू कॉल इज आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. Who decides whether the bill is money bill or ordinary bill? Whenever the budget comes, all these discussions happen in newspaper that it is with the Lok Sabha speaker. Agriculture is what? State subject? It's a union subject or it is in the concurrent list? First you should know that there are something called these three lists, but you will know this if you study newspaper, because nowadays so much discussion happening about farm bill. Newspapers are saying why central government is doing this when the agriculture is in the state list. कुछ भी out of syllabus नहीं है यहाँ पे. What does DT in DTA stands for? अब अगर DTA का फुल फॉर्म पता है, डबल टैक्सेशन अवॉइडेंस एग्रीमेंट कर पाओगे आप। अगर किसी कंपनी के अगेंस्ट चार्ज रजिस्टर होना है, where it will be registered? So a company registered with RBI or SEBI. Where company is registered? Company registered with ROC. You must have read so many places when you are studying Companies Act, how you call it out of syllabus. GST is done for what purpose? GST is based on what? So GST is about tax, and so the answer is PAN. Computer related crime. So I think nowadays, especially those who are like studying online and get so much to know about the cyber crimes, know what is cyber crime. व्हाइट कॉलर क्राइम क्या होता है? वो तो फाइनेंस रिलेटेड क्राइम, जो किसी का मर्डर नहीं है, जो किसी का डकैती नहीं है, that is called white collar crime. And to create web pages we used HTML. This has also become a very common knowledge. Even in general awareness, when you prepare, so there are questions asked on like what is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language हमने कभी टाइम में पढ़ा था, नारायण मूर्ति। अब if you don't know this, do you really deserve to become assistant manager in SEBI? He is one of the legendary. So you don't know Ratan Tata, you don't know Mukesh Ambani, you don't know Narayan Murthy, what you are preparing. Recently appointed Deputy Election Commissioner is Umesh Sinha, easy one. Symbol of Make in India everywhere. Make in India about manufacturing. This lion. Study of population. Demography. Demo means people. Demographic dividend every time we talk about. BSc launches e-agriculture spot market platform. The full form of it, BEAM. BSc e-agriculture market. So in all these questions, the so-called out of syllabus questions, the point first I am trying to tell is for competitive exam, your preparation has to be different. Because most of you till date have studied for your college exam, university exam, board exams, where there is a fixed syllabus. While these competitive exams are different. If I take 3 parameters, first, what is the objective of the exam? Here in college exam, the objective is to teach you, educate you, or if I say in broader perspective, ignite your mind to develop your potential. A very broad aim. But in competitive exam, the aim is selection. The aim in case of the SEBI exam is selecting grade A officers in SEBI. That is the only aim. You have to understand this very, very well. That's why you will understand that in college or university exam, all may get pass, all may get 60%, all may get 70%, whatever, 80%, that is theoretically possible. Even 1 year, when the paper is tough, say in a board exam, the percentage may go down for everyone. But still, all are successful, or large number of them. But in case of competitive exam, this is about elimination. This is about where you can do better than the others. That is about the competitive exams. Limited number of seats, all are not going to pass. Theoretically, it is not possible. Therefore, when we talk about syllabus, there is a very fixed and defined syllabus. While in case of, it is always indicative syllabus. Indicative, please always remember this word even if it is written in the notification or not. Because they need some questions to eliminate people. The objective is to differentiate, to select few people, those who are going to become officers here. So what is your aim? Your aim is beat the competition. I keep on telling that story, two friends in a jungle, suddenly the tiger comes and one start tying the shoelaces, the other is saying, why are you tying shoelaces? Can you run faster than the tiger? I am not going to reach faster than the tiger. I have to reach faster than you. That is how the competitive exam is. Beating the competition. The point here is these questions looking very, very simple, knowing about Narayan Murthy or Tally or CIN, but these are not the differentiating question. Difference comes from some other questions which still you said are simple level. Checking your fundamentals. Your aim is to prepare what is asked in the exam. Then many people wrote, I studied so much about Companies Act, nothing came. But why did you crammed so much about Companies Act without understanding the fundamentals? Questions are mostly on fundamentals. Your study has to be therefore to develop strong fundamentals. Whether it is today SEBI exam, you have seen similar thing will happen tomorrow in RBI exam and NABARD exam, and financial awareness is coming in all exam in SBI PO, IBPS PO. The level of the financial awareness has really improved recent time and they have to create differentiation. Your fundamentals have to be strong. You have to cover it wide. You have to be really knowledgeable, informed citizen. बाल की खाल तो नहीं निकालनी है. Please understand that. In many of my discussions with the student, I have realized they will go in the details of the transaction. That is not required. But you shall know what is India, what is Constitution, what is Supreme Court, what is media, what is government, what is quasi-federal structure of India, concurrent list, state list, what are 5-year plan, what is the election commission. As a citizen of India, we are supposed to know, and we are going to become an officer in reputed organizations. This is not out of syllabus. It is very much expected. Thirdly, your strategy shall be using your intelligence and knowledge using option elimination. Few examples I showed you today. So if you have this financial awareness, if you understand the meaning of different terms, it 80% of the time using option elimination, you can go to the right answer. And I'm happy that some of the students have realized this, who are writing that keeping on focus instead of ratta, instead of cramming it. We learn the lesson for upcoming exam. Career is built like a big monument, brick by brick. Always learn lesson and improve. Take full advantage of this Republic Day offer. Best wishes for your preparation. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.